All right, guys, 2023 Toyota Tacoma V6, all the way from the land of Instagram. We appreciate them coming down. All right, let me show you guys what we've done to it. Factory converter, there. There's primaries up there too, so it's got a total of 4 converters on it. Why, Toyota? Why? But it's okay. Then it wires into a single there. Then we cut the stock muffler off and put a Carven TR, as you guys can see right there. Had to add an extension because that's how big the old muffler was. Then stock tailpipe. And then finished it off with a double wall black tip by Natami, 4-inch. Came out nice, clean, as you guys can see right there. Check it out. There it is. There's the stock muffler that was on it that we cut off right there. All right, you guys ready to hear it? We are. Stay tuned. Hope you guys like it. Toyota Tacoma V6. Go ahead. Sound decibels. Again. Right at 103. I like it. It's clean sound. Carven was made for Toyota. Don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Y. That's a good sound. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Here we go. Yeah, that's clean. Carven TR. What do you guys think of the sound? I like it. For a V6, it's great. No rasp. It was nice.